We have the unique opportunity to introduce in Europe a comprehensive supplementary protection certificate manufacturing waiver. This SPC manufacturing waiver has a lot of benefits, which I would like to shortly explain. First, it would create in Europe for patients faster and much wider access to biosimilar medicines and generics. National healthcare systems can save a lot of funds, and also industry can create up to 25,000 direct jobs in manufacturing and development for high-skilled employees. We're looking forward to the implementation of a comprehensive SPC manufacturing waiver and appreciate your support.
So to benefit from these opportunities, we need to introduce some minor changes to the SPC manufacturing waiver proposal. Notably, to allow day one launch capacity under the SPC manufacturing waiver. Secondly, to ensure that the date of applicability of the measure is as soon as possible so that we can supply more medicines to European patients. And third, to protect the confidential business information of companies using the SPC manufacturing waiver under the notification system.